In front of me is a NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through recovery mode. Now this will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. So to get started, let me quickly check if I do have a screen lock. I do not, so I'm gonna maybe quickly set it up if I can actually find the settings for it. Okay, so I did just set up a pattern right here just to showcase this. Anyway, to get started, you will want to hold your power key, select power off, and once the phone turns off, you will then hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. And when you see the Red Magic logo, you can let go of those keys, and this will show up a language selection. So using volume keys to navigate up and down, you want to select, well, your desired language. For me, it's obviously going to be English. And from here, we'll scroll down, select wipe data. You will then, or I should also add, you confirm things with the power key. So once you have selected wipe user data partition, which I believe there should be a separate word, but whatever, you will then confirm it by tapping on OK. Give it a second. It tells you that it's completed, so let's select OK. I'm gonna go back to main menu, and we're gonna select reboot. This will initiate a reboot of the device and also continue the process in the background. So you might notice that the phone is turning on a little bit longer than you might be used to. It's completely fine. It's just kind of finishing up the process in the background, and once it has been finished, we will be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And there we go. As you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, after this screen, should finish any moment. Okay, and there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.